Hi everyone, I'm Mike Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 841 Battell Street, Unit 309. This penthouse level condo offers great value. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the very spacious living area, open to the dining room and kitchen area. A great feature is the very private balcony. There is 2 good-sized bedrooms, and a 4-piece bath. There's also in-suite laundry. 2 additional features is the locker and dedicated parking space.